Now we're testing. We are testing the actual iPhone now. This is the iPhone 10X, SX. I'm not really a big iPhone user, so. But anyway, what are you looking at, boyfriend? My boyfriend is here, y'all. I'm wiggling my toes, okay? When I get excited, I wiggle my toes. Anyway, yeah, so this is, are you playing something? Are you playing something? So I'm testing. So I'm Tashia from Stronger Than Before. We are testing different products. If you saw my first video, and see, I have all the interference. This will not be going on. But yeah, so we're testing different things. So before I was testing an HP for my vlogs. I'm testing now the iPhone 10s XS. Oh, look at this, Joy. This is good. This one's really good. Look at this light. Look at this light and the clarity. Oh, here goes my producer. She was in the other video. Boom. And my handsome boyfriend. Come here, handsome boyfriend. Because people are going to think you don't exist. So don't be trying to DM me. There you go right there. Okay. All right. That's him right there. So anyway, so these are different lights. Here goes one. I like that one. We like this one, Joy, right? We like the soft light. Okay.
You do the plus and minus on it?
On the soft light? I did not. Okay.
What?
That's
perfect though.
That first one was right.
That clarity looks really good.
It does? So we'll see what it looks like when I upload it. Let's see. So if you have not looked at the first video, you can definitely tell the difference between using an HP and I have an Elite book, top of the line, 4K, everything, but it's nothing compared to the actual camera display of this one, the resolution of this one. So again, still follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Stronger Than B4, the letter B, the number 4, .org. That's the one on Facebook. And then the IG one is Stronger Than .B for the letter B, the number 4. That's on Instagram. My website is www.strongerthanb4.org. So if you have not liked yet, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and follow me. And we'll be talking about different things. And you can find out what I'm talking about a little bit more in the other video. So please go watch it. And I appreciate your support. And February 2nd will be the first video. So thank you so much and God bless.